is running out of love. What do we do? Universe close. Use rainbow. Duh! Oh my gosh, I've been following the clear card arc. Have you guys watched the recent episode? Literally a girl in a cat butts costume. That's me. That's me. Yahoo fam, it's your girl Neko and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably see by my makeup, what do you guys think? This is the best I can do for a galaxy inspired makeup. Oh, did I say galaxy?
Galaxy Unpacking!
And I am so... Wait a minute. Oh my god. My nails are not done. Hold up. Okay, I got my Galaxy nail polish. I'm so excited because I've started ordering Galaxy merch for a couple of weeks now, and I only got to have the time now because there's nobody home. This makeup took like an hour. This is going to be a test trial because I have a shoot coming on next month as well that is also related to this. So let's get on with that unpacking. Whoop! Where did my stuff go? I don't know. I don't know.
Where'd the hairy lady go? I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, there they are. It is full. This is not just the only packs I have because I have here another bigger pack. Save the best for last. I actually bought some things that were not part of a shop, but I just found it in local stores. These are laminated pins, so let's take that off. And maybe we can also put this in our apparel. There's one Mr. Star. I'm going to start with our carousellers. If you remember, guys, that I am now an avid buyer from an online shop app, which is Carousel. If you do not know what Carousel is, it's an online app store where you can buy and sell items. For the first, so cute, what is this? It's a box. What is in the box? So this is from @hoshimi.ph. I don't remember what I bought from them. God, this is like, I told you guys, this was like a few weeks ago, but they gave me, these are free, I guess. They're like small little notepads. I love that it's mostly cats. And I never even told them I was addicted to cats. Let's open up what they got for me. Oh shoot! Yes! Yes! I got a Galaxy spaceship spinner! I've always thought of buying, but I just don't know what kind of spinner I wanted. Oh shoot, this thing is heavy. And I didn't know how to play with one. I've seen people use their pinky or their ring finger to do that, but like, nope, just doing the pointy finger. But that is actually satisfying. I love how it's very similar to my makeup as well. Now, along with my other item, I love going to crafts and supply shops because it just reminds me of college days. I bought it because of this thing. It doesn't do anything much, but then I can use this for my magic wand. I am an alien space princess after all. Oh my god, this is the most annoying part, taking out the price tags. The next one is from... Ooh, okay, so here's from Curls and Twirls. In my last video, I also bought something from her because she is to me the washi tape lady, and since I'm having a new theme, I had to check her store for Galaxy related washi tapes, and here it is. When you love someone's packaging, you really sometimes just don't want to ruin how it was packaged. Oh, what? I got another freebie! Oh, Auntie Jen! Oh my god, I gotta show this to you guys. It's so cool. What is it? It's a... Oh, it's an earring? Whoa! And it's handmade. Look how it looks. It's handmade dangling earrings. Not sure if it fits my aesthetic right now. It looks a bit gothish. I don't know, maybe it's because of the pin, the safety pin in this design. And she also gave out I thought it was a letter, but it's sort of like an introduction of her shop. Ever since you opened your shop, Ate Jan, I love you so much. Oh, okay. So if you want some, want to check it out, this is her contact numbers, and her shop is not very hard to find in Facebook, Instagram, and Carousel. So now let's go look at your washi tapes. So here is our Galaxy washi tapes. We got some golden stars. Here are some Galaxy cats. We got some coat washi tapes, which says Shine Bright. The next one, oh, it's like a lunar eclipse kind of thing going on. And I'm not sure about the last one. I thought they were planets. They could be because some of them have they have an accent of little glitter stars in there. This is my Galaxy set washi tapes. Do you guys see my hair flying? My electric fan is on full blast today because have you guys seen the weather? But I'm glad that we still have an electric fan, and my electric fan has built-in lights. Okay, so we're getting bigger now. This is from @creative with a K. Very squarey. Oh, that's so cute. Even the package is so out of this world. It's just a simple plastic bag, but it does make me happy. I told you I love it when sellers really put effort in packaging their items before they ship it to. Ooh, okay. So I got me some canvas art sets. So this one was just out of nostalgia, I guess. Back in my college days, I did work on a canvas before. I had to have it, I guess, because it included a paint set. So you got your palette here. You already have your color guide here. So I might have my nephew paint this when he gets older. Set to the side, put this away. Oh, I think we are in the apparel. This is from @lifeavenue.ph. Oh, okay. No packaging. Oh, okay. So we got some Galaxy stockings. And I like this design in particular because, well, you could try it on. Ta-da! Look, I got a planet on my butt. And another one on my butt. I love this part. I wish it would go exactly on the butt cheek, but that will do. Next we have another apparel. This is from @manfrommanila. Oh my god. So this guy, he was really, well, our transaction was quite smooth, but before all that, we had a little argument about shipping. He confused the term of shipping fee from free shipping. As an online seller, you would know that free shipping means the shipping is shouldered by the seller. So the buyer doesn't have to buy for shipping. That is free shipping. A shipping fee is shouldered by the buyer. Buyer pays an amount to ship the item to them. So you don't say shipping in one sentence. And this guy was very particular that just insisted those two things are the same thing. Bruh. Still decided to buy the item because I wanted it for this reason. It says, I need my space. Why extra large? I'm not even a large. But I wanted to do something with this shirt, which I might show you guys later. Next item is from, oh, I haven't shopped from this store in a long while because they actually live in the mountains. This is from Clover Zaka. They were called Clover Zaka the first time I ordered, but now they're Clover Vintage Boutique. Oh, look at the effort they put on this packaging. It's like a old newspaper page and then a small little tag here. It's just so vintage. Clover Vintage! I have to be so careful again. Wait. There is a technique. Yay! A+ for your packaging efforts. Got another freebie! Oh, you guys are amazing. It's a hand mirror. See this diamond? It's just like the one I bought. Ah! How perfect is that? Hello, gorgeous. You're looking mighty fine today. Oh, okay. I didn't know it was that small. But I got a Galaxy set. So we have here Saturn necklace, 2 sets of earrings. Oh, by the way, these earrings are my Galaxy pink earrings. I don't even know if there's a pink planet out there, but if there is, I'm totally gonna conquer that. How do you say thank you in alien language? Next is these are star stickers that I'm so going to put on my wall. I think this is the last one. Oh my gosh, it's so small. What is it? This is from Delicate, yay! I didn't buy clothes from her this time, but I think I bought some accessories. Oh wait, no, this is from her sister, Chi-Chi. From Chi-Chi, yes! She said she was going to make a new set of stickers, and as soon as I saw them, I told her, girl, before you even start selling them, I need you to reserve me some. I saw these cute Galaxy stickers. Yay! Your eyes are not blurred, guys. This is actually the graphic. It looks sort of blurred. Or are you supposed to like look at it really close so it's 3D?
A few inches later.
Oh, it's sort of working. But okay, now I'm getting dizzy now. The other one is a "You are not alone" sticker. Got a little backpack there, so she's probably learning about the solar system. That's it for the smaller packs. Time to get you guys into the bigger pack. Ta-da! Among all the Galaxy merch I've ordered, this is the one with the plentiest. One with the most items. None other from KENSJA SHOP. And you can only imagine all the awesome items they have here. They even sent me some more clothes freebies, and I was so honored and happy. Really? Oh my god. So, there's something special here too, but I'll get into that later. Of course, if you're a alien space princess, you gotta have your alien space bag. Inside are also all of the other things that I bought. It's so pretty. Thank you, KENSJA SHOP. Wow, look at that. They even got a barcode tag now. You're getting bigger. I'm so proud of you. So what do we have? Ooh, is a choker. Look how that matches my shirt. Oh, I should have opened this box first. I could have looked really awesome in the rest of the video. Girl, it's another earring set, and I think I love this. Moon and star. The perks of having short hair is that you can wear dangle earrings and you look super hot in it. Oh, okay, I put it wrong. It actually separates the star and the moon. So I put this together. Wait, we can do this, fam. Put the star first and then put the moon. Oh, hey! Oh my god! I look like someone from a Sailor Moon cartoon right now. Obviously Moon. Maybe not her as Usagi, but her as Queen Moon. Probably. Okay, I'm now regretting that I did not open this first. Next, I got it's not really related to space or anything, but it's my favorite Pokemon. I think Mew could be related to space because she can fly. She's like an alien cat. That's so mean. Oh, thank you. What's this? It is another crop top, but wow, I didn't expect the fabric to be this really soft with an alien patch here. But I'm afraid to wear black right now because it's so hot. It's like so freaking hot. Next up is my favorite holographic skirt with a zipper front. I've always wanted to have a blue skirt, but blue is quite a bright color to flaunt. But since I am all about bright colors now, I have no fear of really neon colors. And that's all I got for today's video. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like more videos like this, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you like to see more reaction videos, unboxing, and exclusive coverages of my cosplay activities. And big shout out to Chicago Gerald, who has always been commenting on my videos. Thanks so much for supporting, and don't forget, click that notification bell if you want to be part of the notification squad. Till next time, mwah, mwah, see you! Oh my god guys, I am so bummed that I was not able to video the unpacking of this precious little defender.
Voltron, the defender of the universe.
Has anyone seen season 6 already? I have yet to watch it! Ah!